Let me show you how to do this clown makeup. Starting off at making sure all of my hair is out of my face, and I'm going to prime my face with my favorite primer. Also going to gel my brows just so they're exactly where I want them before we really get into the face painting. Using a Mehron Cream Blend Stick, obviously in the shade white, I'm going to put this all over my face, and then we're going to dab it out. So with this product, I'm going to be taking a brush and I am going to literally pat it out until it's the consistency and the opaqueness that I would like on my skin. And as you can see, like it really does blend out beautifully, just beautifully. It feels wonderful on my skin. So the base is looking pretty good, very full. I'm going to put some setting spray on it to just kind of really help keep it in place. And I'm really going to set it. Keep my eyes closed, that way the liquid doesn't crease. And I'm just literally gonna fan it and let it dry. So now I'm gonna take my best white, and my best white is no doubt my Anastasia Beverly Hills. This white is insane. I'm gonna go over my entire eyelid with it just to really get a color that I would like, and we're gonna dab in instead of like swiping around. We need to dab. That's the only thing about this, is most of our motions will be dabbing. So we're going to take this beautiful neon pink and we're going to put this on our outer cheek here. So we're going to dab it and just keep dabbing in kind of like a circular motion here. Just like that. This is literally the perfect clown blush. I'm loving it. I'm also really seeing it like right in here and coming up the head. I'm also seeing some right in the inner corner here. And I can take this brush, oh, not that brush, this brush, and kind of dot it out. Now we're going to dip in with this beautiful blue right here. I'm going in with like a beautiful angled brush. And we're going to kind of set this blue right on top of this pink here, just by dabbing it in just like that, and kind of bringing it right up to the eyelid there, just like that. We are also going to tap in the blue kind of like up here a little bit, just so it's super dramatic, kind of like where your temples are. And we are also going to put it kind of down here. Also take that blue and just kind of fill in the edge right there so it connects right up top. And we're using that blue for nose contour all the way down, but don't put it around the nose. We're going to do a different color for that. I'm taking my other Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. We're going to go in with this beautiful, almost like neon yellow. We're going to put some directly down in here first. We want it right here. Also going to put some right in between the pink and the blue here to really liven up this area. And you can even blend it a little bit into the blue and blend it a little bit into the pink. We'll blend the pink further into it too. We're also putting just a little bit right in here and blending it into the blue a little. And now I'm gonna dip into like this darker blue here and just kind of like shade in my eyes a little bit, just kind of give it a little bit more dimension right around here. Just taking the darker blue and just shading a few different places just to give it a bit more pop. Also gonna use that darker color right on the inner here and use it to kind of help highlight the nose. We're going to go back in with that yellow and kind of use it to highlight the nose a little bit, especially right around here. Bring it out like that. Blending it into the blue here so it looks a little green. So I'm just going in with like a brush like this. I can't think. And we're going to basically kind of add this in. We can put it into the blue so it makes a little bit of a purple here. We're doing our lips black, so I'm using a black eyeliner, and the lips are going to be quite dramatic. Now the mouth is also going to be pulled out to about there. I'm just taking a black liquid lip. I'm taking some Danessa Myricks in the shade Blackout, and we are basically going to make some really cool like clown stuff. I thought I was recording. I basically am going to do this. just like that, and then I'm going to fill them in. I'll make this one a little wider. And then I'm going to dip the end of this into the black as well and go directly above the triangles. Just like that. We are also kind of going to go like this. And also make it kind of come back down. Like that. Now we're going to do one more straight down here. Do that on the other side. Close enough. We're doing one more right here. And now we're going to do a wing. And it's going to be a very dramatic wing. Other side. We're going to bring the eyeliner in a little bit just so it like really, really does look nice. And the brows are going to be black and like super dramatic. I'm going to do some finishing touches and show you the final result. And this is the final result. I did my nails, everything, like we went all out for this look. What do you guys think? I honestly think this is my favorite look yet. I'm not even playing. I really do believe that this is my favorite look yet. I'm absolutely so happy with myself. This was actually my husband's idea, so very happy with him too. Y'all need to go watch the transitions. I hope you had a great day and let me know if y'all want the... Oh, this is the tutorial. I hope y'all have a great day and thank you so much for watching. Go watch the transitions for me. Bye!